Chester County Archives, our collection includes thousands of records spanning from the 1680s to the mid-20th century. Many of these records are digitized and available online for researchers. In this video, I will show you step by step how to use our indexes in Digital Collections site to access a record related to your research. Step number 1 is to navigate to the Archives website. Go to the County of Chester website at chesco.org and click on the Government tab at the top of the page. Then click Archives and Records under the Department heading. From the Archives and Records page, click Records, Guides, and Indexes. Step number 2 is to search the Archives online indexes to identify records related to your research. For example, let's say I am searching for records for the acclaimed poet Bayard Taylor. We could explore any of these indexes, but let's check the deed index first. Deeds are located in our collection of land records, so we will click that link, select Deeds, then select the corresponding index. Deeds are indexed alphabetically, so Taylor should be listed here. At this point, you can either scroll or you can hit Ctrl F on your keyboard to search for a name. The index includes important details such as the buyer or seller's place of residence, the location of a property, other parties in the transfer, date, and record information. So, here we have some deeds in East Marlborough for Bayard Taylor. To find a deed in our digital collections, the only information you need is the book and page number. Step number 3 is to go to our digital collections site. To do this, go to the Images tab located next to the indexes. Then click the link listed below, which will take you to that collection within the digital site. Taylor's deeds are in book Z5. So we will click on that book and enter the page number listed in the index. And here is Taylor's deed. So we'll go through that process again, but this time let's check probate records. So we will start at the Records Guide and Indexes page, click the Probate, Estate, and Guardianship records, then click Wills and Administrations. We can search for Taylor's will, which would be in this index, and you may find Taylor by scrolling or hitting Ctrl F. The index lists Taylor's will in file 18909. We can open that file by clicking the Wills and Administrations link on the Images tab, then click on the corresponding file number. Taylor's will should be here because it comes after file 18232. So 18909 should be here. Then we can use the toolbar to scroll to the correct file. If you would like to download or print a record, click the printer icon at the top of the page, then enter the page range. So Taylor's Will begins on page 197 and ends on page 217. We can enter those page numbers and hit Download and Print to save the record as a PDF. Although a large portion of our collections are available online, many of our records have not yet been digitized. In some cases, collections have only been partially digitized. To see what records are available online, you may refer to our Digital Collections Guide, which is available on our Records, Guides, and Indexes page. If you have any questions, please feel free to call us at 610-344-6760 or email us at ccarchives@chesco.org.